in the TVET sector, to according reforms chinyingor, including AMA Korugunga, recognition of prior learning. Now we can certify, no monto techeti kerasi. We can certify Mekarachire over agari 3 weeks of checking or certificate because it when you're avant well qualified, mechanic, was a carpenter, was avant very qualified, Rakin Watabu form of papers. I can attend as Chico one only university to apply because the word Makaratas. So we came up with a policy recognition of prior learning so that when you're a Makaratas, Navarobakorak, we participate. We also introduced dual training. Dual training needing a university, a training college, 70% of the time, 30% of the time, 70% was spent as a industry. Or 50-50, depending that has helped us in such a way that take a TVET institution that is very trained. Already trained, yes, institution now what those skills.
Yes.
All right. We have also introduced industry in our institutions.
Yes.
In other words, one Kisii Polytechnic, their best subject maybe is welding and something. They can have a garage there. So that abanali go town or train as a garage na inumo irregular general roja correct and stuff like that. So we are doing a lot in that sector to make sure that we make it available. We have also modularized the programs.
Yes.
Before umwana alikoenda kusoma ata itosoma masonary. Obe kwa room wako mugi momo ndotakere kusoma masonary ota unga endo ikoenda kwa exam kia grammar so Pono igirama nkiago chokora ka ereni kintu kiria tagete chichuma chiria agachi nyumba. So we modularized thing anyo utata kobe mason na waka under 3 months also me masonry we certificate yao over certified yoso ke uchiga iko koreki so walimu agachire mu metenga mason tali ero korosie roof umuntu korosie roof no mungao na mason no mungao ono mogo fosi umuntu tagete kobe mason na era atikorosie roof. So you train them for what they want. Yes. That's why we have been able to raise the numbers from 297,000 in 2022 to 800,000 now, and we are moving towards 2 million. So there's something that we are doing in that space, and we don't want all our institutions, TVET, university, because we already have universities to offer those subjects.
Yes.